All right, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the COVID-19 elements to a Heaven's Best template. If we look at the template right now that we have, you'll see that we have a banner here at the top. We have some icons. We also have a sanitizer page. And we also have a health and safety statement page. I'm going to show you how to add these pages to the template, how to add them to the menus, and how to add the icons to the homepage. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do is go into the Google Drive file stream. You should have this installed on your computer, but shared drives, and then go to Marketing, Heaven's Best, COVID-19, and then Website Elements. I put everything here in one place so it makes it easy to keep track of things. Inside here, you'll see a file called covidpages.xml. What we're going to do is in our new website, this is Denver, NC, and it doesn't have those pages yet. So I'm going to go into Tools and then Import. You might have to install the WordPress importer. It probably won't already be installed, but if it isn't, you just click Install Now. And once it's there, it'll say Run Importer. I'm going to click on that. And now I can just click Browse, and I can go find my covidpages.xml. I'm going to hit Open. I'm going to hit Upload File and Import. It doesn't really matter too much who the page is named for or who is the the author of the page. Is not really very important, but pick temp admin or something. And click this, even though it doesn't seem to always work, but let's go ahead and do that. It's imported those pages. Let's click on Pages now. Okay, and I'm going to sort this by date so I can see the most recent pages. You'll see the sanitizer treatment page and the health and safety statement here. If I click on the sanitizer treatment page to view it, you'll see that the featured image doesn't come over, and I don't know why that happens, but it just seems to not work very well, but it's really easy to fix. We just edit the page, and then we click Set Featured Image. Then I'm going to take this disinfectant COVID ID or COVID.jpg and just hit Set Featured Image right here in the bottom right-hand corner. We'll hit Update. And then we'll just go up here and we'll hit View Page to take a look. Looks good now. Everything's where it should be. And the other page should be just fine. It works without any issues. So all we need to do now is just add it to our menu. To do this, we go to Appearance and then Menus. Make sure you're on the main menu if you're not already. Just click that and hit Select. Then you'll see under Most Recent, our pages are right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a health and safety statement, Add to Menu. It'll come down here at the bottom. All I have to do is just drag it. So I'm going to drag it up here. We'll put it at the bottom of About Us. And then Sanitizer Treatment. We'll go down here at the bottom as well, and we'll just drag it to maybe the top of Services for the moment. And we'll hit Save Menu. All right, now if I go up here and view the page, you'll have to forgive me, I have a little bit of a cold or something. I don't know what it is. But if I go up here and click on Health and Safety, you'll see the page is there in the menu. And the sanitizer treatment is right here. So we're doing good there. Now all we need to do is add this if it isn't already there. And of course our icons. Right here, I can just demonstrate how you do this. You X out whatever's there. Go and put in your new icon or your new banner. And then if your template is up to date, you'll actually have a section for the icons. Now this one's a little bit out of date, at least in its advanced custom fields. If I go to the Appearance and Themes, so I should probably save it first. If I go to Appearance and Themes, I'll actually see that it is up to date. The template itself is up to date. So all we really need to do is make sure that the advanced custom fields are put in place correctly. So if I go to custom fields and tools, I can import the most recent custom fields right here. I'm going to hit open and then import file. If I do that, I should now go back to home and be able to see the appropriate file that we're looking for. So now there's a section that says unique selling point, and it has everything that I need in there, and that's great. I'll just probably go to the template, and probably what I'll do is I'll add a text file in this folder so you can just copy and paste from there. But if I go to the template right now and edit the page, and I just copy this, so I'll just take what I need right here, and I will paste it in here and hit update. We will get our new icon for sanitizer treatment right here. And so now everything's in place. We have our 2 new pages, we have our banner, and we have our icons. That's pretty much all you need to know. Thanks.